Yeah, we're gonna do something gesture to music.
Hi, everyone. We built a little experience that we wanted to connect electronic artists to their audience. And so what we're doing is, I'm going to invite you to scan a QR code in a moment, but we wanted the audience to contribute in a musically meaningful way through Magenta. And so once the QR code is up here, you'll be able to scan it and connect. And I'll let Will explain some of the details.
Yeah, so basically we use media pipe to track a performer, somebody who kind of manages the audience. The audience itself, when the QR code is up, you guys will be able to scan it. It'll track your phone's gyroscopic data, and this contributes to an overall measured energy level, which affects the backing track of a Magenta-generated audio that the performer, the DJ, our beautiful man Finn here, is in full control of. So we'll let Finn take it away.
Oh wait, I need, sorry, one more thing. I need audio output. Yeah. Good. All right, I'm on. Am I unmuted? I do.
We need space, Jack. Just set it up there.
So yeah, some of the mappings we have is we have two sets of instruments. I don't know what that's about. But here we have pitch control with the y-axis in my left hand. That's feedback. We're not doing that on purpose. Is it this? Oh, is it switch? Oh, hello? Oh, okay. With this hand, we're controlling pitch and volume with openness of the hand, and openness of the hand for the other hand for the chord sound. Every time the hand is closed, it switches chords. Yeah, and then we have this other setting here where we have like a noise synth, controlling filter, and yeah, that's it. We're out of time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.